Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So we're going to have a look at the silver ETFs in this this session through here. And as we can see on the, we're going to look at the SIL and SILJ. And as you can see, right, what's happened through here, yesterday I did a video saying that this pullback here is looking quite weak and we're getting a weak pullback and now we're getting a drop down. So we're getting a drop down right now. So we had a lower high and then we had some sort of high low, right? Then we had a rally up and now we've got a drop down. So this actually could be the start of a move down. And it does look like this, that does look like if this gets a bit more follow through because we're still at this level of support. Actually, you know what? No, it does look like that now we've got this small lower high and we're breaking down. It looks like this is probably going to start its descent on the SIL right down to probably around the 2450. The same for the SILJ as well too, right? If we go and have a look through here, we had a low, we had a lower high, we had a low, and we had a very weak pullback, and now we've got a bit of a drop down with a selling volume through there. So my level through here, you can see this level where we are right now. It does look like that. It does look like, or we want to see a breaking of the previous lows first. But if that happens, we're probably going to head back down towards these levels through here around the $7.75 level. So there we go, guys. We're still getting in the silver juniors and the silver. We've got this very weak pullback, a lower high, and now we're breaking down. And especially in the silver juniors, we're getting a very big volume increase that's happening right now. So I definitely wouldn't want to be trying to go long this market right now because the sellers are definitely, there's a lot more lower high. So a lot more sellers that are happening right now in the market, and the likelihood of it going down a lot more towards that $7.75 level is very, very, very strong. And same for the SIL. This is now likely to continue down. We've got this lower high through here. So this that 2450 would be a target for me. So I'm not telling you to get into a trade right now, guys, because trading is not about what I've just said here. Okay. Because the thing is that I'm giving you general analysis about what the market is doing right now. Okay. I'm giving you general analysis, but it doesn't mean that you go trade based on what I just said there. Makes sense? And I make that very, very clear because some people say, oh, John said it was going to go down, so I shorted the markets. It's like, don't do that. Only get into the markets once you know it's a good trade, right? And you can follow that every single time. Trading is never about getting it right on one single trade. So I must make that very, very clear because so many people listen to what I say. It's like, oh, we're likely to go down to 2450. So why don't I just short it right now? It's like, no, don't, right? Because the thing is, like, even though it looks like it's starting to do that, right? We could easily turn around here and head back up. Makes sense? So I'm just giving you general advice only. I'm giving you general advice only here that if we do break this low level here, then we're likely to head back down to the 2450 level from there. So, but you only take a trade based on what you are comfortable with. Hey traders, I'm running a flash sale. It's a $7 flash sale to my brand new Go to the Markets by the Bullish trading course. If you go to johnsflashsale.com, you can get access to the $7 massive sale that I'm doing right now for a short time. So go to johnsflashsale.com and I'll see you over there.